Patent application numbers are the key to unlocking some of the most valuable information in the patent world. First, patent application number searching is not hard, but there are more steps and problems with the process than you might think. Every U.S. patent comes from a patent application number. Remember this 8-digit format. Bottom line, if you do, you can recognize patent application numbers. If you don't, there are plenty of other 8-digit numbers out there to confuse you. Specifically, look for 2 digits, a forward slash, 3 digits, a comma, and then 3 more digits. Both the pre-grant publication and the patent grant come from a single patent application number. By now, you're probably thinking, how could searching for an 8-digit number be a problem in the age of the internet? Here's the deal. First, there are way too many 8-digit numbers in the patent world. Second, the patent application number isn't really an 8-digit number. It's a 2-digit number smashed together with a 6-digit number, and even that is an oversimplification. The first part of a patent application number is the series code. The second part of the patent application is the serial number. When they get to 999,999 within a series code, then they start a new series code for the next application. This would just be trivia if it weren't for the fact that some searches aren't smart enough to deal with series codes. So how do you find the patent application numbers? The Patent Office generates a patent application number during the electronic filing process. The patent application number would generally show up in an initial filing receipt. But be careful. There are 2 8-digit numbers at the top of the filing receipt. If you grab the wrong number, you could end up wasting a lot of time looking for a patent application that doesn't exist. This is one of the instances where it doesn't show up with special formatting. If you're getting some value, click the like button. Soon after filing, the Patent Office will issue a confirmation filing receipt. Here's an example from the same patent application. Notice in this case, the application number is in the top left-hand corner. After that, correspondence from the USPTO generally comes under a cover letter. The cover letter looks a lot like the cover page on the confirmation filing receipt. Just like before, the patent application number appears in the top left data field. How do you search using a patent application number? Before I answer that, an important warning. The USPTO patent search is not that great of a place to search with a patent application number. That search is so cumbersome and ineffective, I don't use it for that purpose. If you enter a full patent application number in the USPTO search, it will reject your query. Bottom line, the USPTO patent search is lousy at searching its own patent application numbers. So what is the best search tool for patent application numbers? The truth is, there aren't many great options. My goal is to show you the best search path. Here there is no single best path. The shortest paths often end up in dead ends. So first I'm going to walk you through the longer, more reliable path. After that, I'll show you how to do it fast. Remember, fast is only great if it works. If it's not working, you need to go back to the reliable path. I don't want you to get frustrated. Most attorneys are working with the same limited tools that I'm showing you. One of the better ways to search for a patent application number is to search in the public PAIR system. PAIR stands for Patent Application Information Retrieval. To get to the USPTO PAIR system, go to uspto.gov, click the Patents button, and under Find It Fast, then click Public PAIR. Application number is selected by default. So, just enter the application number in the box that says Enter Number. Clicking Search should take you to the application page. If the search isn't working, try entering the application with a forward slash after the first 2 digits. Sometimes PAIR will give you a weird error, like the application number is not available. If you got the application number from a non-confidential document, it's probably in the system. Keep trying, and you should get through. Inside PAIR, you can access data, documents, and publications. The tabs across the top help you navigate the information. On the right-hand side of the page, the document number for the pre-grant publication will be listed in the field Earliest Publication Number. Below that, if the case was patented, there'll be a patent number in the patent number field. The most interesting and likely most used tab is the Image File Wrapper tab. It contains the record of the correspondence between the patent examiner and the applicant. This document set is often referred to as the prosecution history. Remember to click subscribe for more patent startup information. If you want publications like the patent grant, click on the Publish Documents tab. In that tab, you'll find a button for each publication. PAIR is my favorite option for patent prosecution documents. That's because I don't like the risk that some other database has an imperfect copy of those documents. For patent publications, everybody has them, and I'm generally more concerned about speed of access. Now, how do you get documents the quickest? Just remember, if these methods don't work, go back to the slower, more reliable methods. PatentScope is very fast and usually gets the document I want. For PatentScope, you just type the application number into the main search box and click enter. That usually works, but if it doesn't, you can use the drop-down to search by application number, and that should improve your chances. Google Patents is also very fast, but is unsuccessful more often. I usually only search Google Patents for application numbers if I'm already in Google Patents. Honestly, I'm still looking for a shorter, more reliable path to the right information from patent application numbers. If you know of a better method, by even 1 or 2 clicks, share it with me in the comments. I'll try to keep the best answer pinned to the top of the comments. Now for one of the best uses of the patent application number. Even better, you don't need any special training as an attorney to use or understand this method. This is the eye-opening comparison I was talking about in the beginning. Here are the 3 easy steps. Using the application number, look up the U.S. pre-grant publication and the U.S. patent. Number 2, print them out and set Claim 1 of the pre-grant publication next to Claim 1 of the new patent grant. Now, highlight all the language in Claim 1 of the patent that isn't in the other Claim 1. What do all these highlights represent? They're usually a really good reflection of the compromises the patent applicant had to make to get the patent. In other words, there's a really good chance you just ran your highlighter over one of the most important weaknesses in the patent. If you're searching because you're interested in getting your own patent, check out my next video. It covers some of the main reasons you might want to file a provisional patent application.